Are you feeling overwhelmed and confused by all the jean options out there? Well, keep watching because I want to show you the perfect pair to wear this fall and how to style it. Hello, welcome to Stylecast. I'm your host and style coach, Greta Eagan, and in this video, I'm doing another one of my style sessions where I dive deep into one category and help give you some style advice and some real life outfits. The jean cut that I want to highlight is the bootcut jean. Now, this is a style that is virtually flattering on all body types. It has a little bit of give and take in different places, accentuating different parts and giving a little in others. And I just find that even with a flat or a heel, it's so versatile. I have styled it 5 different ways to show you, from going out to traveling, errands, all of it. So let's dive in. First look that I want to highlight is more of a travel outfit. Now this is layered and again a little bit more on the comfortable side. What I've done is just paired this bootcut jean with a mule, or what we're also seeing is a loafer, an open back loafer. It's a little bit more casual. I have a pair of socks with it. So again, for travel, this is going to be a really great option, easy to slip on and off while still keeping you warm. And speaking of warm, we want to have lots of layers. So I did start with a little t-shirt underneath because you always want the option, and then put a cardigan over top, and then added a quilted jacket. That is going to be my travel look, but you can see how this jean is making the outfit look a little bit more upscale than if I was in leggings or in athleisure of some sort, or if I was wearing even like a sweatpant or a wide leg sweatpant. The jean just sort of elevates the outfit a little bit more, makes me feel a little bit more dressed and appropriate while I'm traveling and ready to go into the next thing after I land. For my next look, I'm focusing on what to wear when you're maybe going out to lunch or doing something a little more casual, but you still want to look put together. So again, got our jeans here. I've gone for a lightweight sweater. This is almost a little bit sheer because of the weave, so it's got a little something special going on. This is definitely the time to pair some of these sweater tops that you might have that aren't super bulky. You're not yet ready for full-on winter, but adding a little bit of warmth, adding that cozy feel, and they look so good with a bootcut jean. Again, I've gone for my mule here, just with the socks underneath. I can't get enough of this look. It is so comfortable. And again, I really do think that it helps me feel both comfortable and still stylish. I think that there is a misconception sometimes that in order to look stylish, you have to sacrifice your comfort, and I really want to give you some outfit inspiration that shows you that you can have your cake and eat it too. What I would do to top this whole look off is add a jacket, and I am going for a canvas sort of coat here. I think a barn jacket would be great if you have one in your wardrobe. Just a little something with a little bit more weight, but again, not the bulk of maybe a winter coat. These are going to be outfits that are really addressing sort of this late summer season into fall where the really cool fall temps haven't hit yet. And you can always layer on over top. You could easily swap this out for a thicker jacket and still use the base outfit that I've given you here. This would be something that I would wear to go have some lunch, and I think it's, again, that perfect balance of being casual and cool. My next outfit is focused on when you want to go out to dinner. Maybe not the fanciest of dinners because you are still wearing a pair of jeans, but something that you feel cute in and a little bit more dressed up. You'll see how versatile this pair of jeans is because I have swapped out the mules for a pair of boots with a little bit of a heel, so that's giving me a little bit of height and elevating the whole look. And then I've just gone for a cashmere sweater underneath with a nice V-neck. I've added a fancy belt. Little details like this will make a huge difference when you put your look together. just in completing the look and sort of elevating it for the occasion. And I added a crop jacket here. This just happens to be what I have with me. You could totally do more of like a full length or 3/4 length wool coat. I think that would be a great option here. And then I just finished the look with the little crossbody woven bag. So the whole look feels super seamless. Again, kind of that casual, effortless, but also very put together. So you'll definitely be able to wear this out to a dinner, especially if it was maybe a dinner that you were having with friends, less of an occasion, but just something a little bit more of a casual catch up. This would be the look for that. Look, I want to highlight an actual errands, going out and about everyday kind of look. And this is something that I would wear just doing the day, you know what I mean. So pair of jeans is great for that, and swapped out the ankle boots for some sneakers, and then paired it with this striped long sleeve shirt. And then I love just throwing an oversized jacket, shacket, in this case it's the quilted coat again, over top to just complete the look, give a little more warmth. I might add a ball cap here if I haven't washed my hair, that sort of thing. That's the kind of look we're going for here. You can see it's just very mom off-duty vibes, and it's really working for me. This is the outfit formula: a pair of jeans with a long sleeve shirt, and then adding an oversized jacket and a pair of sneakers, and you are golden. I have saved the best for last. How major is this jacket? Anyway, we will get to that, because this look is something that I would put together for if I was going out for cocktails, a night out, something a little bit more fancy, a little more dressy, but you still want to wear jeans, and you absolutely can. This would be the way to do it. And let me break it down for you. So started with a shirt from Kate. This is a little mock, or well, I guess it is, yeah, mock turtleneck top, and I am loving this burgundy color. It is very of the season, and I'm totally leaning into it. And then of course the jacket. Now you'll notice I do have the price tag still on here, the tag, because I'm debating on whether to keep this. This is from Helsa, and I don't know, you guys, it's pretty awesome. I can totally see wearing it, obviously with the boot cut jeans here. I love the proportions. This has major shoulder pad action going on, and I am not mad at it. And so yeah, I'm loving how it's sort of balancing the proportions of the flare at the bottom and the shoulder pad accentuation at the top, cinched in at the waist here. So let me know in the comments below if you think this is a keeper. I am considering it for sure. I wanted to get something to go with this top here. I don't have a lot of burgundy, and I just wanted a jacket. I can always wear it with black or brown, and that'll look great, even tan. But I just kind of like leaning into a more even monochrome look. I have a skirt that I bought that is also in this colorway, so I'm gonna be putting the whole outfit together for you guys soon, but this is a little sneak peek, and that is why I went for this jacket. So let me know in the comments below. And then I finished it off with a pair of heels, because again, this is more of my dressed up going out look. Depending on where you are, you might be able to get away with what I'm doing here, which is like a heeled sandal. It just elevates the look, makes it a little bit more upscale for those fancier occasions, for maybe those different venues that you're going to that maybe require a little bit of an elevated dress code. Depending on where you are, it might be a little too cold for this, so you could always go for a heeled bootie, a little ankle boot. Something with a pointed toe would be amazing with this look. I would definitely go for that. And yeah, I'm feeling it. I think this might be my new going out look. Let me know what you guys think. I hope that this gave you some outfit inspiration on how to style the bootcut jean, and that if you have a pair in your wardrobe, you'll pull it out and put it to good use, or maybe think about bringing one into your wardrobe. If you got value out of this video, please give us a thumbs up, and be sure to hit the subscribe button so that you are sure to get all of our future videos. And I will see you guys next time. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.